Hi. This example is used to illustrate how we can use the hidden utility in Material UI to customize how we handle UI elements for responsive screens. So we have four text elements. Using hidden, what we will do is to enable them, toggle them in for specific breakpoints. So the XS text shows up only for the XS breakpoint. The SM text shows up only for the small breakpoint. The MD text shows up only for the medium breakpoint. And LG and above text shows up for the large and XL breakpoints. So let's look at how this works. So we have the XS breakpoint enabled now. So you can see only the XS test. If I set the small breakpoint, you can see only the small breakpoint. We have even customized the padding and margin for this text. If you set medium breakpoint, you can see the medium text only. If you set large and above, you can see the large text. So let's look at how the media hidden is configured. For the XS test, we go to hidden, and you can see that we have set that this element needs to be hidden for small and above breakpoints, so it will be visible only for the XS breakpoint. And the XS test itself is a typography component with the H6 variant, and we have set a margin of 10, a padding of 10 px. So let's look at the small breakpoint. So the hidden is configured as not hidden only for the small breakpoint, and it's hidden for every other breakpoint. So it's visible only for the small breakpoint. The typography component is a variant of H4, and we have a 20 px padding. The medium hidden again is configured with hidden for every other breakpoint other than the medium breakpoint. So the text is a variant of H3 and the padding is set to 40. Lastly, for large and above, we say that it's hidden for medium and below. So it's visible for large and above. So that's it, folks. Thank you.